You have to stop wasting time. How to let Zapier run your work on automated. Hindi nyo alam yung Zapier, it is a tool na parang nagiging automatic yung mga task mo instead naman. So, i-explain ko siya in an analogy of a train. So, you're wasting, let's say ito yung condition mo. You're wasting hours walking data one app to another, like carrying boxes and across your town, built in a train station. Across the town. So, lalakad ka ng papuntang Divisoria, gamit lang yung paa mo, tapos deliver ka, tapos galing ka pa SM North, let's say. Meanwhile, Smart Freelancer built train station like EDSA station that moves everything for them automatically. That train is Zapier. So, huwag na magmano-mano sa mga tao, especially kung virtual assistant ka, social media manager. You can even use this as a service so that you can offer that to your client. In this video, I'll show you Zapier like it's a train system. Apps or stations, Zaps are trains, di ba? So, marami tayong mga concept. Merong Zapier, which is yung app. Zap, which is train. Task, which is yung cargo na pinaperform ng Zapier. Once you set the tracks, pwede ka na mag-auto. Ito gusto ko sa'yo sa isa't isa. So, meron tayong tawag na apps. Let's say, sa YouTube, tapos pwede siya mag-convert to LinkedIn, tapos LinkedIn, pwede siya mag-post to meaning Twitter, yun yung mga apps, social media apps or ibang apps. So, para sila mga train station, one stop to another. So, hindi sila naturally connectado sa isa't isa. What you can do is to connect. Ayun, Zapier. So, Zaps is equal to train. Parang isang ganun. Galing sa YouTube station, napunta sa Facebook station. Pinag-connecta mo silang dalawa. Tawag doon, Zap. So, isang ruta ng isang relays. So, yung task is parang cargo. If you have bought something like a rice cooker, tapos meron siya mga ibang part, may steamer, a rice cooker have this part has something that you use for rice cooker in terms of eating and stuff, and it has a cargo inside of it, and how can you deliver it from one station to another? Ano yung deliver? It's the cargo. Okay? We have the station, we have the train, but we also have the cargo or yung Shopee parcel mo na dinadala ng train. So it's like one being delivered to you. So each box equals one action sent, like an email, update sheet, post tweet. So more cargo equals more task usage. So yung task usage na yun yung depende kung gaano kalaki yung mabayaran kay Zapier. Gusto mo na mas maraming task, magbabayad ka ng pro, kung konti lang, pwede na yung free version. So number 4 is filters and paths. Yan kasi yung parang like signals. May makikita ka Zapier filters, Zapier paths. Pero parang ganito lang yun. Pwede yung train mag-decide kung pupunta siya ng right or left. So example, meron kang email na merong nakalagay client. So, pwede i-filter doon ni client ni Zapier na kung anong meron lang sa field, kung merong nakalagay sa may nag-send sa'yo ng email or stuff like that, babasahin niya kung may nakita siyang word na client. Kung nakita niya, i-filter niya, pagsasamahin niya, papakita niya sa isang summary or i-organize niya sa isang parang ganun yung filters. Yung paths, nag-reply, let's say, si client sa email na yes, ito yung command. Para pag sinabing no, yung command at pa-follow up siya. So, 5 is delay. Hindi lahat naman ng email send mo agad, di ba? Let's say, ni-automate ka ng email. Kailangan agad-agad. Minsan, kailangan delay din. Kung di nag-reply si client, delay 2 days, delay 5 days, hanggang 14 days kung di talaga nag-reply. Kasi di talaga nag-reply, follow up in 30 days and stuff. Tinatawag natin delay. So, Zap history shows which train arrived, got delayed, crash. Para makita mo ano yung mali sa system mo or nag-work ba siya. When to automate at saka when naman. Automate kapag lagi siyang daily task na parang lagi mo na lang halos ginagawa. Do manually kapag once in a year lang siya, once in a quarter, depende talaga sa context. Pero let's say ito ang context natin. Freelancer editor ka, pwede ka mag-automate ng client. Tapos i-automate mo yung, lagi ka kasi nagbabasa, di ba? Kung may client na gustong magpa-avail ng service mo. Imbes na puro ka basa ng basa sa email, sinamarize ni Zapier. Tapos nilagay niyo sa Google Sheet o sa Excel. Yung online seller naman, kung tinda ka sa Shopee, ng mga rice cooker, content coach, ako yan, pwede. Pag nag-post ako sa YouTube, pwede rin siya makatopost sa FB tsaka LinkedIn. So basically, that's it. I do have a community below na pwede kang turuan. Specifically on that as in YouTube description. That's all. Thank you.